Our world teaches us to glorify the extraordinary. We look up to superheroes and champions, our top athletes, scientists, and best-selling authors, those who move crowds and inspire millions. We want to be just like them. We want to accomplish the extraordinary and know that we've made a difference. But what if we're not? What if our lives are ordinary? Does that make us ordinary? Does that mean we can't make a difference? Even if we aren't where we think we should be, even if our realities look different from the people we look up to, our lives still matter. We are still called by God to make a difference right where we are. The way we live day to day matters. The way we serve in our communities, love in our relationships, and grow as individuals can all be world-changing when we choose day in and day out to do each of these things extraordinarily well. Living in the ordinary is difficult. You have to study hard, invest well, and be intentional. But it's worth it. In time, you'll find that what you thought was ordinary is truly extraordinary.